Replacing or installing new windows can instantly transform the look, comfort, and efficiency of your home. But for many Tuscaloosa homeowners, the excitement of upgrading quickly fades if installation mistakes lead to drafts, leaks, or higher utility bills. Window installation may seem straightforward, yet even small errors can result in costly repairs down the road. Here are the most common mistakes to avoid so your investment lasts for years to come. Choosing the wrong window size. One of the most frequent issues comes from purchasing windows that don't fit properly. Even being off by a fraction of an inch can cause gaps that allow air and water to seep inside. Many homeowners assume close enough will work, but Tuscaloosa's humid climate and heavy rains make precise measurements critical. Always double-check dimensions, and if possible, have a professional take measurements before ordering your windows. Ignoring Tuscaloosa's climate. Tuscaloosa homeowners face hot, humid summers and chilly winters, making energy-efficient windows a necessity. A common mistake is choosing windows based solely on style or price without considering energy ratings. Single-pane glass, for example, may look fine but won't provide the insulation you need. Opt for double or triple-pane windows with low E coatings to block heat in summer and retain warmth in winter. Skipping this step can lead to higher utility bills year-round. Poorly prepared window opening. Installing new windows in an opening that isn't properly prepared is like putting a patch over a crack; it won't hold up. Homeowners often overlook cleaning, leveling, and sealing the frame area before installation. If the opening isn't square or has hidden water damage, the new window won't fit correctly, leading to air leaks and operational issues. Take the time to repair any underlying structural problems first. Overlooking proper sealing and insulation. Windows that look perfectly installed on the surface may still let in drafts if they aren't sealed and insulated correctly. Tuscaloosa's frequent rainstorms make waterproof sealing essential. Skipping caulk around the edges or using poor quality weather stripping can result in moisture damage, mold growth, and reduced energy efficiency. The extra effort to properly insulate your windows pays off in long-term comfort and durability. DIY without the right skills. While DIY projects can save money, window installation requires a combination of carpentry skills, precision, and knowledge of local building codes. A small misstep, like failing to flash the window correctly, can cause serious water intrusion problems. Many Tuscaloosa homeowners start a DIY installation only to call professionals later for costly repairs. If you're not fully confident, it's safer to hire a licensed contractor from the start. Using low-quality materials. Saving money upfront by choosing the cheapest windows or installation materials often leads to bigger expenses later. Windows made with poor quality frames or thin glass won't hold up against Tuscaloosa's weather extremes. Similarly, low-grade sealants or insulation deteriorate quickly. Always select durable, high-quality products that are built to withstand both heat and moisture. Skipping final inspection and testing. Even after installation, many homeowners make the mistake of assuming everything is fine without testing the results. Before calling the project complete, check that each window opens and closes smoothly, locks securely, and has no visible gaps. On a windy day, feel around the edges for drafts. Early detection of problems prevents long-term issues from going unnoticed. Final thoughts. New windows can greatly enhance your Tuscaloosa home's appearance, comfort, and efficiency, but only if installed correctly. Avoiding these common mistakes helps ensure you get the full benefits of your investment. Take time to measure accurately, choose energy-efficient designs, and use quality materials. And when in doubt, don't hesitate to call a local professional who understands the specific challenges of Tuscaloosa's climate. By steering clear of these pitfalls, you'll enjoy windows that not only look beautiful but also perform reliably for years to come.